Hey guys, I thought I would bring you my quick night routine to moisturize my hair when it's in a protective style like this and a braid out. I like to use a leave-in, which is water, liquid, and then a cream, which is a cream moisturizer, and an oil. So I'm just going to spray this, targeting really my ends of my hair, making sure get moisturized and get some moisture on there. I'm spraying the rest of my hair, just making sure they are wet. And this is the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. This is my first time trying this. I do like this. It's easy, it's quick, it smells good. Then I have the Soultanicals Marula Muru Moisture Guru, and this is a moisturizer, and I'm just going to take a nice amount. And this product really works well when your hair is damp, so I'm really going to work this into my braids and the roots of my hair. Just give my hair a little bit of love, and then really target those ends, making sure the ends are moisturized. So I'll do like my hair in 4 sections, just working it in. Just taking a nice amount, rub my hands together, and just working the product in. The length of my hair, working it to the length of my hair, and really targeting my ends. I've had these braids in for about a week. So I've just been moisturizing my hair like every other day, just giving my hair some moisture. Because even though it's in braids, I still need to take care of it. I'm just really working that product in the ends. We'll do the same thing on this side. Getting the roots too. This product is very moisturizing and it smells good too. It's one of my favorite moisturizers. And like I said, I had these braids in for about a week. They've been really, really convenient to have. Just get up and go. I can wear one of my turbans. Just gonna target those ends. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more. I'll just put a little more extra on the ends of my hair. Want the ends to be the juiciest part. Okay. Just gonna work all this, the rest of my hair. I got somebody out the side door trying to get in. A little baby trying to get in. I'm trying to hurry up and do this. So my last and final step is I'm going to take the Melanin Hair Care oil and I'm going to seal my ends, lock that moisture in, making sure my ends they stay hydrated. I'm just taking a little and I'll work it in all my hair, but really getting those ends. Just working that oil in like I did the moisturizer. This is a really good oil. It has a nice citrus smell and it's lightweight. It's non-greasy, just like it says on the bottle. It's just a really good oil. Let me get closer so you can see. Gives you a nice shine. Just working this oil in my ends. Just gonna take both sections and just really work that oil in. I'm not gonna put too much oil on my scalp. I've been using my DIY oil a lot that I made for hair growth. I've been putting this on my scalp, but I don't put oil on my scalp every day. Okay. I'm gonna hit this section with some oil on the ends and just work it in the length of the hair. I did the other sections. Kind of get closer so you can see. My ends are just juicy. And that's exactly how I want them to be. And then whatever oil I have left, I'm just gonna work it into my scalp and then the rest of my hair. Now my hair is moisturized, it feels good. And then now I can just pop on my bonnet. And I'm ready for bed. So that is my quick moisturizing routine when I have a protective style, like a braid out or a twist out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.